everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make bell pepper and onion agrodolce. After preparing all the ingredients, let's start frying the onion. Add salt and pepper to taste. When onion is cooked, put in a plate. Fry the bell pepper. Bell pepper is ready. Add the cooked onion. Mix it well. Prepare the sweet and sour ingredient. It is a mixture of 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and water. Add the sweet and sour mixture and stir. Our bell pepper and onion sweet and sour is ready. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos.